Good morning to all. We are going to discuss some vocabularies that has relation to literature and speech. The first one is pedant. What is pedant? Pedant means one who display his knowledge. One who display his knowledge. Pedant माने one जे निज knowledge को देखाए, show करे. It's exaggeration. It's माने one who exaggerate himself by giving or example or showing his academic knowledge को दिखाए. Example, his lecture was so pedantic and uninteresting or boring because he is showing nature. Maximum teacher lecture, they are showing the what is called their academic knowledge before students. So pedant means pedantic person. He is a pedantic person. Pedantic means this person has showing nature. Then we will come to the another word, that is plagiarism. Plagiarism means a literary theft, चोरी. लिटरेचर चोरी को कौन को जाए? Plagiarism means it's a crime also. When somebody has written a book, suppose a what is called point of view, suppose you are stealing that one and you will input that theme in your own project or own thesis, then it will be what is called considered as a plagiarism. You are taking another points and inputting into your own project and saying that this is mine, this is new, then this is what is called, that's problem. This crime also, it is a crime. Okay, so in PhD it is right now it becomes zero plagiarism. If you will not steal anything from anyone or any sources, then it will consider to be unique. So look at this, what is called second question, sorry, example. Now he is in real trouble. बर्तमान से बहुत प्रॉब्लम रही कहीं बिकज he has accused of plagiarism. से plagiarism रे accuse कराई माने ताकू धरा माने ताकू आरोप लगा जाय कहीं ए लक्ष्य कर एटी ही इज अछि, एटी इज अछि ना हैज अछि. तुम लक्ष्य कर तापर कोन अछि सेंटेंस भर रो v3 अछि ना, तने ए कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन फॉर्म कोन है परबो, हैज होबो, इज होबो नाही. जदि एटी v3 बदल रे कोन थांता, v रो ing थांता, धर एक्यूजिंग ही था ताने एटी इज ही थांता. जेहेतु एटी कोन अछि एक्यूज्ड अछि, ताने एटी कोन हैज, ही हैज एक्यूज्ड ऑफ plagiarism. Then we'll come to the another word, that is calligraphy. Calligraphy means art of good writing. Art of good writing. केमिति जने भलो लेखि परिबो त कोन कहजो calligraphy. Calligraphy also it's a course also. So look at this another question, so example also. Calligraphy home course are a great course to improve your education. Right now the home what is called lockdown is going on. You can also do what is called your calligraphy course by what is called in online also, online mode. Calligraphy home course are a great course to improve your education. तुम education को improve करिया पाई writing skill also, it's a good thing. Then we'll come to another word, that is cacography. Cacography means bad handwriting, bad spelling, just like doctor, because they don't know what is the spelling. Okay, they could not remember the spelling of what is medicine, so they will write, that is I think okay, look at this example also. Um since your cacography is difficult, cacography means your writing way is difficult to read, जेहेतु तो पढ़िया पाई बहुत कष्ट, then you should type your assignment. तुम assignment को type करिया दरकार, जेहेतु तुमरो कौन cacography होची कौन कष्ट, cacography is difficult to read, so you should type your assignment. Another word, that is orthography. Orthography means good spelling, use of spelling as a proper standard of that language ठीक पूरा perfect, then कौन होबो, that is called orthography. Then another word will come to this, his orthography is authentic, perfect, he is perfect in orthography. Orthography means writing skill. It is opposite of cacography. Cacography opposite होची कौन, orthography. So we'll come to the another word, that is median speech. What is median speech? Median speech होची fast speech. Fast speech माने जहाँ प्रथम speech को median speech को जाए, प्रथम performance को debut को जाए. So first होची congratulations, there is example, congratulations to your median speech. So then we'll come to the another, what is called another word, extempore. Extempore होची speech without preparation. कौनसी प्रिपेरेसन बिना जदि व्हाट इज कॉल्ड हुए कि कौनसी प्रिपेरेसन जदि बिना जने स्पीच प्रिपेरेसन करे ताले कौन हबो, इट इज एक्सटेम्पोर. लुक एट मिस्टर मोदी इज ए ग्रेट एक्सटेम्पोर प्राइम मिनिस्टर. एक्सटेम्पोर प्राइम मिनिस्टर मीन्स प्रिपेरेसन नहीं. मोदी जी कौन करती विदाउट प्रिपेरेसन से कौन करती प्रेजेंटेशन करती. सो ही इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड ग्रेट मैन मीन्स व्हाट इज कॉल्ड ही हैज पावर ऑफ स्पीच. We'll come to the next word, that is life and death. We're talking about the life and death सहित relation, life सहित relation, these words. Look at this posthumous माने कौन word is called posthumous means कौन posthumous means after death. जदि मृत्यु पर किसी घटना माने हुए ताको कौन कह जाए posthumous माने after death. So a posthumous collection of her work has been just published. तांको मोला परे तांको बही पब्लिश हैला. Posthumous collection means after the death of a person these books was published or has been published. तांको मृत्यु परे तांको बही पब्लिश हैला. Then we will come to another word, that is ex gratia. Ex gratia कौन compensation after death. मोला बेले नुह सपोज कोरोना बहुत लोक एक्सपायर कर जेकोसी आर्मी ऑफिसर एक्सपायर कलापर से पैसा जो कंपेनसेशन मनीटा आसे क्या पाखक आसे दैट नेक्स्ट क्लोज मेंबर मीन्स सपोज इफ माने हस्बैंड हैज डाइड देन दिस कंपेनसेशन अमाउंट वुड रिसीव बाय हिज वाइफ. सो नियरेस्ट पर्सन एक्स ग्रेसिया मीन्स कंपेनसेशन आफ्टर डेथ. मृत्यु पर जो कंपेनसेशन दि जाए से कौन कह जाए एक्स ग्रेसिया पेमेंट. So look at the example. The ex gratia payments are made to all the died of COVID-19. COVID-19 जो माने डेथ होती से मानू नेक्स्ट मेंबर को कौन दिया एक्स ग्रेसिया पेमेंट दिया. Then we'll come to another word, that is funeral cortege. Funeral cortege means procession taking dead body for the last rite. मृत्यु पर जो procession हुए means कौन खई कौड़ी बिंची गंगा जल छिंची जो प्रोसेसटा हुए सेटा हूँ कौन कह जाए. सो यू नो ऑल्सो आई थिंक एवरीवन दिस फ्यूनरल कॉटेज हैपेंस टू ऑल दे आर ऑल पर्सन. आई थिंक ऑल persons are acquainted to this, so it is not, I should not elaborate this thing. So funeral cortege means a procession, what is called death ceremony, procession taking dead body. टेकिंग माने डेड बॉडी को नवा जो प्रोसेसन करा जाए सेटा को कौन कह फ्यूनरल कॉर्टेज. देन विल कम टू अनदर वर्ड, दैट इज soliloquy. Soliloquy means alone, talking to oneself. Talking to oneself means कौन निज सहित कथा हवा कौन कह टॉकिंग टू वन सेल्फ. soliloquy. It is a dramatic things because most of the writers like Shakespeare they use this device when look at you might have also seen in the what is called jatra stage direct what is called drama, and what is called some actor will what is called talking to self means soliloquy. Look at this example. Like Helmet's soliloquy, to be not to be, is famous soliloquy by Shakespeare. करिबी कि नहीं, to be not to be माने he is in indecision में डिसीजन नहीं पाउनांती से एटा करिवे कि सेटा करिवे. मां को एक मारिबा पई चिंता करचंदी कि मां को मारिवे कि नहीं. इट इज राइट और रॉन्ग माने राइट रॉन्ग बिकॉज in the decision his emotions stands against him. He want to take revenge of his father's death, but his emotions to mother or love for mother stands against the decision or logic. So what happens, we'll not discuss about this Hamlet. Then we'll come to the another word, what is called decomposer. What is decomposer? Decomposer means an animal that converts complex substance into simpler forms. That animals what is called the animals that converts complex substance into simpler form छोट छोट बड़ बड़ कौन कहते बड़ बड़ जो substance को छोट छोट कर दिखती फंगिस आर द प्रिंसिपल मुख्य डिकम्पोजर इन द इकोसिस्टम इकोसिस्टम रे डिकम्पोजर किए फंगिस सपोज ह्यूमन बीइंग हो जेकोसी वस्तु हो माने फ्रुट्स हो सपोज द डिकम्पोजर माने कौन कर दिखती छोट छोट कर दिखती सो इट इज कॉल्ड डिकम्पोजर इज द प्रिंसिपल डिकम्पोजर किए फंगी इन द इकोसिस्टम तुम खाद्य सपोज रखीच गोटे रोटी ब्रेड से ब्रेड 2 दिन रहा पर कौन हो जाए फंगी मारी जाए नेलिया पड़ जाए सो इट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट इज कॉल्ड द प्रिंसिपल डिकम्पोजर ऑफ इन द इकोसिस्टम नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज पैरासाइट पैरासाइट मीन्स वन इज बेनिफिटेड अदर इज हार्मड सपोज बाघ हरिण को खाइब सो इट इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड ए टाइगर वांट टू ईट ए डियर so here tiger will be benefited in ecosystem and the other one other species deer will be harmed that is called parasite जो अन्य ऊपर निर्भर करी बंचे mutualist means both are benefited mutualist so mutualist के कृषकर बंधु जिया जानी थी so it's a mutualistic relationship then we will come to another word कमेंसल कौन वन इज बेनिफिटेड अदर इज नॉट हार्मड जड़े बेनिफिट पाँच कि अन्य जन हार्म हो ना किए फ्रुट्स गच फल दौर आमको ह्यूमन बीइंग विल गेट बेनिफिटेड कौन फ्रॉम फ्रुट्स ऑफ ट्री देन कौन इट इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड दिस ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आर बेनिफिटेड and the tree is not harmed so it is a conventional then we'll come to another word gramivores gramivores means the animal that eat grasses animal that eats grasses जे घास खाए ताको ग्रामिवोरस कहा जाए ग्रामिवोर ताको कौन कहा जाए ग्रामिवोर जे घास खाए ग्रामिवोर फंगिवोर्स means the animal that eats fruits the animal that eats fruit जे फ्रूट्स खाए ताको कौन फंगिवोर्स कहा जाए हार्बिवोरस the animal that eats plant जो प्लांट को छोट छोट प्लांट को खाए ताको हार्बिवोरस कहा जाए तृणभोजी omnivorous just like human being animal that eats their own species को sorry এটা cannibal okay that cannibal means cannibal होची कौन the animal that eats one species this sentence is incorrect okay this sentence is wrong so look at this cannibal means कौन animal that eats their own species this animal suppose animal that eats one species जे निज species को खाती cannibal people I have heard the story of cannibals in so I have heard the cannibals in the story रे मु पढ़ी cannibals में किमित निज को मारिकी खाई जाती then will come this sapure what is called one who damage things then another word sting कौन one who tries to save money as far as possible so it's called miser father is very rich her father is very rich but stingy means what is called miser माने कुरपण stingy his person what is called her father is very rich ता बापा बहुत धनी किंतु stingy माने कौन लोभी so miser पेरिमिनस भी कह जाए कौन कह जाए पेरिमिनस भी कह जाए एंड माइसर भी कह जाए कृपण देन अनदर वर्ड विल कम टू द अनदर वर्ड दैट इज कार्पिसियस मीन्स अनप्रेडिक्टेबल माने किसी कही हम ना सो आवर लाइफ बिकम्स वेरी कार्पिसियस इन द मिडिस्ट ऑफ पैंडेमिक माने कोरोना रे आम लाइफ जीवन कौन है अनप्रेडिक्टेबल हो किसी ना प्रेडिक्ट कर हम ना बंचब कि ना मीन्स व्हाट इज कॉल्ड unpredictable look at this sentence our life becomes very carpicious in the midst of pandemic then we'll come to another word that is vindictive what is vindictive means revengeful or unforgiving जो लोग को he is vindictive in nature vindictive means revengeful So we'll come to another word, that is industrious. Industrious means diligent or hardworking. We have also studied in the last class what is diligent. Diligent means hardworking, but here is another word, that is industrious, মানে পরিশ্রমী. Sometimes hard work beat the talents, কইছিল না নাই? So hard work means, even Einstein also say that, মানে Einstein also মানে কইଥିଲେ, কোন কইଥିଲେ, says that I am not intelligent, I am diligent. Diligent means the person who work hard, কর্মরে বিশ্বাস করে. So another, will come to another word, that eternal. Eternal means everlasting, forever. সে কোন কইছি, eternal means স্বর্গিক things, everlasting, সরিব নাই, forever. Eternal peace, I feel eternal peace after, what is called, after have been to Puri. ଜଗନ୍ନାଥଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖିଲା ପରେ, after I have been to ପୁରୀ ଗଲା ପରେ କ'ଣ ହେଲା, I felt the eternal peace. ଯାହା ବି ହଉନା କାହିଁକି, eternal means everlasting or forever, ଚିରନ୍ତନ. Then we'll come to another word, that is pagan. Pagan means one who doesn't believe in religion. जे religion को विश्वास करे नहीं, से होची pagan. Pagan कौन, one who doesn't believe any religion, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, you would not believe any religion, that is called pagan. I am a pagan, suppose. Then another word will, next word will come, brittle. Brittle means that can break easily. शीघ्र जोड़ा भाग बहुत माने soft भांगी जीवो, that can break easily. He is a brittle person. Brittle person means सांगे सांगे भांगी होची. He has no confidence. Next we will come to another word, that is illicit. Illicit माने that cannot be accepted by society. Society माने सामाजिक स्तर रे जोटा ग्रहणीय नुहे, सेटा होची कोन, illicit. So illicit relationship. Illicit means समाज स्तर रे जोटा accept नो. Brittle means that can break easily. Pagan means who doesn't believe any religion. Eternal means everlasting or forever. Then we'll come to another word, that is inedible. Inedible means that cannot be eaten, जोटा खाई हबो नाही. Inedible, edible माने खाइबा, तार opposite होची inedible. So what is called, ମୁଁ କହିବି next question होची कोन, pathology. Pathology means the study of disease को study करबा पई आमे pathology जानती, तुम टेस्ट करो, ब्लड टेस्ट करंती, कोन ब्लड रे प्रॉब्लम होची हम देखंती. So what is pathology? Pathology means study of disease. Nephrology, study of kidney को टेस्ट करबा पई, सॉरी किडनी विषय जानिया पई आमे कोन nephrology टेस्ट जानती, nephrology डिपार्टमेंट को जानती किडनी प्रॉब्लम पई. It's a medical term. Then we will come to the another word, etiology. Etiology means study of cause of disease. Study of cause of disease कौन को etiology को आजो. Study and cause of disease. Etiology means the study of cause of disease. कारण कौन, रोगर कारण कौन. Then we will come to another word, neurology. Neurology means study of nerve system. नर्व सिस्टम को स्टडी करिया पई हम न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट डिपार्टमेंट को जानते. सब नर्व सिस्टम रे किछ प्रॉब्लम थिले कोन करंती, हम न्यूरोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट को जानती. ही इज ए न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट डॉक्टर कथा कहू अछि. देन विल कम टू अनदर वर्ड, दैट इज डर्माटोलॉजी. डर्माटोलॉजी माने हमें जनरली हमें कहि दियंती कोन, स्किन स्पेशलिस्ट. डर्मा स्पेशलिस्ट मींस डर्माटोलॉजी, स्किन ऑफ डिजीज, स्टडी ऑफ स्किन, जे स्टडी स्किन को स्टडी करे ता कोन को आजो डर्माटोलॉजी. So linguistic, the study of language, language को study करे. Linguist माने one who speaks many languages. Linguistics is a subject. Linguistics is a subject or discipline. Also in MA Hyderabad Central University रे आउ MA EFLU रे जोटा अछि डिपार्टमेंट बापला linguistic means it is a branch of English. So it is study of language. You will study many languages in there. So we'll come to another word, that is called oncology. Oncology कौन, स्टडी ऑफ कैंसर सेल. कैंसर सेल को स्टडी करिया पई ऑन्कोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट को जिया पड़ो, जहाँ भी हो ऑन्कोलॉजी. ऑन्कोलॉजी मीन्स स्टडी ऑफ कैंसर सेल. देन विल कम टू अनदर वर्ड, वर्बस. वर्बस मीन्स यूज मोर वर्ड देन नीडेड. माने वर्बस माने अधिक वर्ड रे डिस्क्राइब करी कहबा, जेतिक दरकार न माने अधिक कोन लेखिबा बा कहबा. verbose. What is called, this speech was verbose. Verbose means more than expected. So we'll come to the another word, more than expected, that is called terripedance. Terripedon মানে କ'ଣ? Terripedon ହେଉଛି what is called terripedon. Terripedon ମାନେ କ'ଣ? A feeling of fear that trepidation भी କହିପାରିବ, trepidation, a feeling of fear that causes one to hesitate because he think that something unpleasant is going to happen. A feeling of fear ଗୋଟେ ଭୟ, a feeling of fear ଗୋଟେ ଭୟ that causes one ଜଣକୁ ବାଧ୍ୟ କରେ to hesitate କରେ, problem ମାନେ hesitate କରେ, because ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ବିବ୍ରତ କରିଦିଏ, because he thinks that something unpleasant is going to happen, ଗୋଟେ ଖରାପ କିଛି ହେବାକୁ ଯାଉଛି, so he will be what is called ମାନେ hesitate ହେଇଯାଏ, ତାକୁ କ'ଣ କୁହନ୍ତି? Trepidation or trepidation. Then we'll come to another word that is called succinct. That is called succinct. Succinct means precise without wasted words. Succinct, a precise without କ'ଣ ହେବ? Western, what is called wasted words. Then we'll come to another word that is called annihilation. Annihilation means destruction, ধ্বংস. Annihilation means destruction. So then we'll come to another word that is catastrophe. Catastrophe ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ? Disaster. Holocaust ଆଉ କ'ଣ? Cataclysm. Catastrophe ମାନେ ମନେ ରଖିଥାଉ disaster. Then we'll come to another word, the anthropology. Anthropology ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ? Study of development of man. Study of development of man. କେମିତି ମଣିଷ ପ୍ରଥମେ କେମିତି ମଣିଷର ଏଜ୍ରେ କ'ଣ ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନ ହେଉଛି, 18th century ଲୋକ କେମିତି ଥିଲେ, 19th century ଲୋକ କ'ଣ ଥିଲେ, 10th 21st century ଲୋକ କେମିତି ଅଛନ୍ତି. It is called study of development of man. ମ୍ୟାନ୍ର ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ କ'ଣ ଆମେ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି. Then we will come to another word, phobia or fear. Phobia means fear. Philia means love. Mania means obsession. Phobia, fear. Phobia means fear. Philia means love. Mania means obsession. Look at this thing. Phobia, fear. Phobia means fear. Philia means love. Mania means obsession. ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ଫୋବିଆ ଅଛି, ମାନେ କ'ଣ? ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ମାନେ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ କଲ୍ଡ, ମାନେ ପାଣିକୁ ଡର, ତାହେଲେ କ'ଣ ହେବ? ହାଇଡ୍ରୋଫୋବିଆ. ଆଣ୍ଡ୍ରୋଫୋବିଆ ମିନ୍ସ ଫିୟର ଅଫ୍ ମ୍ୟାନ୍. ଯେ ହ୍ୟୁମାନ୍ ବିଙ୍ଗକୁ ଭୟ କରେ ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ? ଆଣ୍ଡ୍ରୋଫୋବିଆ. ଫିୟର ଅଫ୍ ମ୍ୟାଥମେଟିକ୍ସ, ଆରିଥୋମୋଫୋବିଆ. ଫିୟର ଅଫ୍ ଏନିଥିଙ୍ଗ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଞ୍ଜ ଅର୍ ଫରେନ୍, ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ଜିନିଷକୁ ଦେଖିଲେ ଡର ଲାଗେ, ଜେନୋଫୋବିଆ. ତା କ'ଣ କୁହାଯାଏ? ଜେନୋଫୋବିଆ. ଜେରକ୍ସ ମାନେ ସେମିତି ଜି ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଆସୁଛି, ଇଏ ହେଉଛି ଜେନୋଫୋବିଆ. ଫିୟର ଅଫ୍ ଏନିଥିଙ୍ଗ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଞ୍ଜ ଅର୍ ଫରେନ୍. So then steatophobia we have studied in the last class. Fear of food, ଖାଦ୍ୟକୁ ଯେ ଭୟ କରେ ସେ ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ? steatophobia. Neophobia, fear of changes, ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନକୁ ଯେ ଭୟ କରେ ତାକୁ କ'ଣ କୁହାଯିବ? Neophobia. Logophobia, fear of study. Fear of study କ'ଣ କୁହାଯିବ? Logophobia. Pharmacophobia means fear of medicine. medicine को जे खाଇବା ପାଇଁ ବା ନେବା ପାଇଁ କ'ଣ କରେ? ଭୟ କରେ, ତାକୁ କ'ଣ କୁହାଯିବ? Pharmacophobia. Then another word will come to, that is called fear of night. Nectophobia. Nectual. Sorry, look at this. Night ରୁ nocturnal. Some day ରୁ କ'ଣ ହେବ? So that is adverb. Night ର adverb ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ? nocturnal. ସେଥିପାଇଁ nectophobia ହେଲା. Then another word that is zoophobia, fear of animal. ସେମିତି adjective ଆଉ କ'ଣ? star ରୁ starry, sun ରୁ solar, moon ରୁ lunar. So ସେମିତି night ରୁ nocturnal. So what is called NICT so नेक्टिफोबिया मैंने कौन फियर ऑफ नाइट रात्रि हेले भय लगे ताकू कौन कह नेक्टिफोबिया एनिमल को भय को हेले कौन हम जूफोबिया पानी की भय हेले हाइड्रोफोबिया ब्लड को भय हेले फियर ऑफ ब्लड कौन कह हेमेटोफोबिया हेमेटोफोबिया को कौन कह फियर ऑफ ब्लड देन विल कम टू काकोफोबिया फियर ऑफ अग्लीनेस फियर ऑफ अग्लीनेस को कौन कह काकोफोबिया देन विल कम टू मानिया माने कौन लव बिब्लोमानिया ए पैशनेट एंथुसिज्म गोटे भक्ति प्रेम टाइप रो फॉर कलेक्टिंग एंड पोजेसिंग ऑफ ब्लड सॉरी पोजेसिंग ऑफ बुक्स माने जो व्यक्ति बही कलेक्शन करवा और धारण कर रखा भल पाए बिब्लोफाइल हूँ लवर ऑफ बुक्स को भल पाइबा एठी कौन कही बिब्लोमानिया हूँ कौन वन टाइप ऑफ दिस थिंग्स ऑल्सो माने ए पैशनेट एंथुसिज्म फॉर कलेक्टिंग और पोजेसन ऑफ बुक्स बही कौन ग्रहण माने कलेक्शन करवा एवं कौन करवा पोजेसन करवा देन विल कम टू अनदर वर्ड डिप्सोमनिया एक्सेसिव ऑब्सेशन ऑफ ड्रिंक को जे ऑब्सेशन माने व्हाट इज कॉल्ड ऑब्सेशन जहार से हूँ कौन डिप्सोमनिया लालोमानिया कौन व्हाट इज लालोमानिया ऑब्सेशन टू टॉक जी बेसी कथा हाँ पसंद करे ना लालोमानिया देन विल कम टू अनदर वर्ड दैट इज मेगलोमोनिया मीन्स ऑब्सेशन ऑफ मनी और नेम एंड फियर जहार व्हाट इज कॉल्ड मनी आउ माने नेम फेम को जी कौन करे बेसी भल पाए नहीं सो इट इज कौन ऑब्सेशन ऑफ ताको कौन मेगलोमोनिया कह सो अनदर वर्ड दैट इज कॉल्ड ग्रामोमानिया ऑब्सेशन ऑफ मेरी अगेन एंड अगेन देन कम अनदर वर्ड दैट इज कौन गामोमानिया मीन्स ऑब्सेशन टू मेरी अगेन एंड अगेन जे विवाह को बेसी कौन ऑब्सेशन माने घृण माने चाहे नहीं अगेन माने अगेन सेकेंड टाइम्स थर्ड टाइम्स सो इट इज कॉल्ड ग्रामोमानिया देन विल कम टू द फालिया मीन्स लव ऑफ समथिंग और समबडी फोटोफालिया मीन्स लव ऑफ नाइट हूँ कौन फोटोफालिया लव मनी हूँ प्लोटोफालिया love money plotophalia so we have completed this vocabulary parts right now so we will discuss the next in the next class or next upcoming class we will discuss the other left what is called other vocabularies then see you then thank you.